What's going on, guys? This is a fast and simple video. This is in case you want to be a top rated seller and you're just getting started on eBay. This is everything you need to meet in order to be considered for top rated seller. Your transaction defect rate has to be 3 or less over a year, I believe. Your late shipment rate has to be 3% or less. Again, over a year. Cases closed without a seller has to be 0.30% or less. Tracking uploaded on time and validated has to be 95% or more. And transactions and sales, you have to have more than 100 over a year and over $1,000 in sales over a year to be considered for top rated seller. You could also be considered for top rated seller plus, but you would have to offer 1-day handling time and a free 30-day return, which I'm not doing right now. But yeah, that's how to become a top rated seller.